JVN Professor Manju Sharma, Director, Faculty of Education, Methodology. Today I am delivering lecture Concept of Education and Functions of Education. So, start. My topic. Education, concept and function. Education. Education is a dynamic force of individual. Education actually senses, there are three senses of education. Three senses. First is knowledge. Next is subject. And next one is process. So, knowledge, subject and process. All senses are including in education. Education, fundamental concept of education has five areas. First is curriculum. First is curriculum. Second is inclusion. Next is inequality. Next one is teaching, learning. Education, fundamental concept are five areas. First is curriculum. Curriculum are set to individual, society and nation. And many principles, many areas of this are philosophical area, sociological area and psychological area. All are included in curriculum. Inclusion, inequality, teaching, learning. All are very important areas in education. Swami Vivekananda, according to Swami Vivekananda, education is the manifestation of divine perfection which adjusts a man. Manifestation of individual, emotional, intellectual, social, cultural, spiritual, all are included in individual's manifestation. So education is very important for each and every individual. Education is a real panacea of the evils. Education is one and the only instrument of changes the nation, the thoughts and social and economical settlement of India. Education is raised to overall India's national integration, national integration. So education part of very important to overall. So we talk and discuss the concept of education. Next, functions of education. Functions. Functions of education. Functions of education. First is individual. All commissions, all policies are depend on education and enhancement of individual, society and nation. So function are very important in education setup. How individual enhancement through education, how society enhancement through education, and national build up, settlement, better settlement through education. All are. So all functions are included in individual, society and nation. Society and nation. So individual inborn development of inborn potentialities modifying the behavior, individual are very important. So development of inborn potentialities modifying the behavior, development of personality, preparing for future, overall development of accessibility. So education function are very important for individual development of inborn potentialities. Education enhance the inborn potentialities of inborn all students. Next, modifying the behavior. Behavior is like individual and nation and society. So education functions are very important for modifying the behavior of individual. Next, development of personality. P for perception, E for energy, R for responsibility. So overall. P, all alphabet are very important for individual. So, through to education, development of individual personality. And today's education is child-centered education totally. Preparing for future, career, interest, which subject interest and what future, all are deciding in individual function through education. Preparing for future, overall development of individual. And next, development of adjustable. कैसे adjustable overall adjustment is very fruitful of individual. So adjustment through parameters decided through education. Next, society. Society social change and control. Education, web relations of individual are make the society. So, society functions is social change and control, inequality, to equality, and transformation, cultural transformation. Nation's functions are overall of nation, developing development of national integration. National integration, very important for nation, and national integration developed through education.